Get ready. Scientists have just made a discovery about 3I Atlas that is truly shocking. We've got a major update on this mysterious interstellar object, possibly the biggest news in the solar system. Recently, astronomers received new images of 3I Atlas shortly after it passed perihelion, and what they saw has stunned the scientific community. Adding to the excitement, China has released a close-up image of the comet, the closest observation by a space probe to date. In today's video, we'll break down what these new images reveal, what China's space team has discovered, and why researchers are now asking a big question. Is 3I Atlas really a natural comet, or something else entirely? On the night of November 5th, 2025, the Raves Observatory captured a mysterious image in the sky. At first glance, it simply appears to be a fuzzy ball of light, not unlike many other comet sightings. But as astronomers peered closer, they realized this was no ordinary observation. The object's appearance was both familiar and strangely different, sparking immediate curiosity and debate among the team. The sun sits in the bottom left corner of the frame, casting its usual brilliance. Yet what truly grabbed the scientists' attention wasn't what was present in the image, but rather what was conspicuously absent. Something about this comet defied their expectations. Unlike most comets, which display a long, glowing tail as they approach the sun, 3I Atlas showed no visible tail at all. This was highly unusual and immediately set it apart from the countless comets previously observed. Its coma, the cloud of gas and dust that typically surrounds a comet's nucleus, looked almost identical to a Hubble image taken months earlier in July, showing no significant changes despite its journey through space. Even after passing remarkably close to the Sun, where most comets undergo dramatic transformations, this comet appeared almost completely unchanged. The lack of any visible reaction left scientists both puzzled and excited, eager to unravel the secrets behind this cosmic enigma. Here's why this is so puzzling. As the mysterious 3I Atlas comet approached the Sun, astronomers were closely monitoring its progress, expecting it to behave like most comets do as they near our star. But then, something remarkable happened. It suddenly brightened to magnitude 9, far beyond what scientists had predicted for this object. This unexpected surge in brightness caught the attention of observatories around the world, sparking intense curiosity and debate. At the same time, researchers noticed a small but measurable non-gravitational acceleration in its motion, an anomaly that stood out in the data and couldn't be ignored. This meant the comet was speeding up in a way that gravity alone simply can't explain, suggesting that some other force was at play, pushing the comet along its path. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggests that this strange acceleration could be caused by jets of material being ejected from the comet's surface, acting like tiny thrusters and creating a rocket-like effect that alters its trajectory. If Atlas were a natural comet, this kind of outgassing would be expected as sunlight heats up its icy nucleus, causing it to release gas and dust into space. In fact, it's estimated that Atlas may have lost up to 13% of its total mass as it passed near perihelion, shedding material in dramatic fashion and leaving scientists with even more questions about its true nature. Yet, the post-perihelion images tell a different story. There's no bright gas cloud, no massive tail, and no significant material loss visible. So, scientists face a pressing mystery. If the comet lost mass, where did it go? And if it didn't, what caused its sudden acceleration and brightness? Adding to the intrigue, 3I Atlas has changed color for the third time, now showing a bluish glow, highly unusual for a comet. Combined, the missing tail, unchanged coma, unexpected acceleration, and color shift make 3I Atlas one of the most mysterious interstellar objects ever observed. China's Tianwen-1 spacecraft captured another close-up in early October 2025 when the comet passed roughly 30 million kilometers from Mars. The images show a bright nucleus with a faint tail and a dim 5.6-kilometer wide object exhibiting very little surface activity. far less than typical comets. This supports the idea that 3I/Atlas has a surface that resists normal outgassing. The James Webb Space Telescope has added even more surprises. Infrared spectroscopy indicates a deep outer crust, about 50 to 65 feet thick, and it's chemically distinct from the interior. This really raises questions. How did this crust form? Was it created naturally, or is there something unusual, maybe even artificial about it? Some scientists, propose radical explanations. The outer surface contains elements like nickel and cyanide, which are possibly tied to industrial processes on Earth. Either natural cosmic processes altered the surface over billions of years, or, well, something more unusual has occurred. This strange surface may actually explain the comet's unusual behavior near the Sun. Yet one major question remains. Without a tail or significant gas cloud, how could this object behave so differently from what astronomers expect of a typical comet? Normally, a comet's tail and coma are clear signs of volatile materials evaporating as it nears the Sun, but in this case, those classic features are missing. So, what exactly caused the sudden brightening and the strange, non-gravitational acceleration that scientists observed? Was it an unknown process, or something we've never seen before in our solar system? 3. Atlas continues to defy expectations, leaving experts scratching their heads and re-examining what they thought they knew about these mysterious visitors from deep space. Its precise trajectory through the solar system has been mapped in detail, yet it still manages to surprise researchers at every turn. The object's close passes by major planets, while never coming near Earth, only add to the intrigue and speculation about its origins and purpose. When you combine the mysterious glow, the unexpected acceleration, and the unusual surface composition that doesn't match any known comet, the puzzle just gets deeper. It's honestly no wonder scientists are baffled. Each new observation seems to raise more questions than answers, and theories continue to evolve. Adding to the mystery, NASA has yet to release a clear image captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, despite the high hopes of astronomers and the public alike. This lack of definitive imagery only fuels curiosity further, leaving both scientists and space enthusiasts around the world eager for answers and wondering what secrets this enigmatic object might still be hiding. So, after all these strange behaviors, what do you think 3I Atlas really is? A rare interstellar comet? Or something far more mysterious? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.